Hey you guys, just gonna, this is a multi-lock classic I don't have keys for. I just wanted to pick it, because why not? There it is. Picked. Now I don't have keys, so I've got to be careful to not lock this up. Got to hold the cam right where it is. Let me grab a tray. All right. Alright, number 1, inner outer. Number 2. Number 3, those two stayed together. Number 4. Number 5. Two little anti-drill inserts there on the right side of the core. Nothing too spectacular. And now for the drivers. One is standard with one of these big long multi-lock springs. These springs are so funny looking. 2 is a spool. 3 is standard. Excuse me a moment. 4 is another spool. And 5 is standard. Okay, so there we go. There's your pinning. Nothing too spectacular. Regular old multi-lock, not interactive. There's nothing special in the plug, no interactive element, chamber, nothing I am, however, going to see if I can make this work with a different set of keys that I have. So wish me luck. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Good luck on your whatever you're working on right now. I really hope it goes well for you. You get into it. Have a great time. Bye.